Good morning, my dear student. Today we're going to take a new lesson which is called mixture. There is two types of matter. First, we have to know there's two types of matter. Pure substance and mixture. What is the difference between pure substance and the mixture? Pure substance is substance that made of only one identical particle. Again, pure substance is the substance which is made of only one identical particle, like distilled water, sugar, and baking soda. So the example of the pure substance is distilled water or pure water, sugar, and baking soda. What about the mixture? It's the substance which consists of more than one type. Again, pure substance, it consists of only one substance, identical particle, or only identical substance, but the mixture which consists of more than one type, like concrete, like tomato sauce and mineral water. Okay, we have pure water and mineral water. What is the difference between the pure water and the mineral water? Pure water is the only one substance or only one type of identical particle, so it's a pure matter. Pure substance, like the pure water, but the mineral water is mixture. Give reason, here is the question, give reason why the pure water is pure substance. Pure water is a pure substance and the mineral water is mixture, because the pure water is made of only one type of identical particle, but the mineral water is made of or consists of more than one type of particle. Here we know the difference between the pure substance and the mixture. Now we're going to study what's the mixture according to its type, property, formation, and separation. We will start the type of mixture. Types of mixture. We have solid-solid mixture. We have liquid-liquid mixture. We have solid liquid mixture. and we have gaseous mixture. And gaseous liquid mixture. Okay. We were going to explain the first type, which is solid mixture. Here as we're going to put some sugar with some salt. Both are mixture, solid. So here is the solid mixture. Okay. The liquid mixture as oil, water, and some drops of oil. These are liquid mixture. Of course, the solid liquid, like some salts or some sugar with the water, some sugar with some water is the liquid solid mixture, or sand with water. Gaseous mixture like atmospheric air, like oxygen with carbon dioxide and nitrogen and helium, argon, those are the mixture of different gases. Gaseous liquid mixture like dissolving soda water with carbon dioxide gas in sugar solution. Those are the type of mixture. Now, what is the property of the mixture? The property of the mixture, we have that you can separate tomato from salad easily, and eat it separately, like meaning that the component of mixture don't join or react together. This means they can be separated easily, as if you put some fruits and vegetables together, you can separate the fruits from the vegetables. If you put some tomato sauce or tomato inside the salad, you can separate the tomato from the salad easily. Or you can having fruit salad, you can separate strawberry from the fruit salad easily. Or you have a vegetable soup, you can remove the any desired amount of vegetable in your vegetable soup, so you can separate it easily. That means that the mixture component don't join together. It's easy to be separated. The second property is in each component in mixture keep its own property. So the property of mixture are the same property of its component. I mean, if you cut the vegetables, if you want to make salad and you cut the fruit, tomato or cucumber or cabbage, after you cut it, you can eat it. You have the same property. They don't change in their property. That means in each component in the mixture keep its own property. Even if you cut it or mix it together, you still have the same taste. Again, Property of mixture. Number one, the component of the mixture don't join or react together, as they can separate it easily. Number two, in each component in a mixture keep the property, so the property of mixture are the same property of component after they are mixed. Give reason. The question. If you have a mixture of sand and iron filing can be separated easily. How come you can separate sand from the iron filing? Here we have sand. If we put some sand here and the iron filing, you can mix the sand with the iron filing as you see here. How you can separate it, or this mixture can be separated? Give reason why they can be separated, because these components of mixture don't react together. They don't react, they are mixed, not react together. So by the magnet here, as you see, I can separate it easily by using the magnet. So again, the mixture of sand and iron filing can be separated easily because the component of this mixture, which is the sand and iron filing, don't react together. Because we can separate it easily by using the magnet. Now, after we finish the property of mixture, we are going to talk about the formation of mixture. How we form the mixture? We have different way to form the mixture. Number one, by checking, by stirring, or grinding. How we can checking the mixture? We have now, we're stirring. We have salt and water. If we bring some water, as you see in the beaker, and some salts, I can shaking like that, or I can stirring by using spoon. But right now I have no spoon, so I can stirring like this. This is meaning the stirring the water with the salt, or by checking like that. Here you can form the mixture. Okay, grinding. If we have here some sugar. I'm grinding some sugar. Grinding, but with this crystal sugar. If you go into grinding, and we have here salt and sugar. They formation the mixture after the grinding, them together. So formation of mixture, we have checking. We can checking solid and liquid together. Solid and liquid. Solid like salt or sugar, liquid like water. Again, and maybe stirring. Also the sugar with the water, and grinding like mixing different type like salt with pepper. This blending them together before mixture. Now we want, after we form the mixture, we want to separate the mixture. This is a different type of different property. We have to, after form the mixture, how to separate it. As we say before, that the mixture is not react together. Prove it. Prove it that the mixture not react together. It's easy to separate it, the mixture, after you mix it together. The way for separation, the mixture, separation of mixture. have different way. Number one, magnetic attraction. Number two, filtration. Number three, evaporation. Number four, separating funnel. We're going to discuss every one separated. Magnetic first, the magnetic attraction. How we separate the mixture by using the magnetic attraction. Here we have sand and some iron filing. Here we form the mixture by checking. Here we are checking them together. How are we going to separate it? These two mixture from each other, as we said before, they don't react with each other here. Now, by the magnet, we separate the iron filing from the sand. This is the first way from the separation. Okay. Number two, filtration process. We use something called filter paper. This is the filter paper. We use it to filtrate mixture like sand and water. We do it like that. And we mix water with the sand and try to put the sand and the water inside here. The water will drop down and the sand will keep inside the filter paper. Here we have water with the sand. We're checking this to make a mixture, sand with the water, and put it down here. What's happened? Here is the water drop down from the filter paper. Here, the water is dropped down from the filter paper, and the filter paper keep the sand inside the filter paper. That's mean the filtration process. How to filter the sand from water. How to separate sand from water by using the filtration process, by using the filter paper. The second way for separation. The third way, by using evaporation process. Is mixing salt with water. If we mix salt with water, here is the salt. We put some drop of water inside, and we chicken them. This is the way for mixing the mixture, salt with water. Now the salt dissolves in water. How to separate it? By evaporation process. If we bring flame, okay, and the salt and the water mix together, the water becomes to evaporate. And the salt remain inside the beaker. This is the evaporation process. By using the flame, what's happened? The water will boil, then evaporate. then the salt will be remain inside the beaker. This is the third way for the mixture, for separation, or to separate the mixture. The last way, which is separating funnel, which is used to separate oil from water. Yes, we have some oil. Here is the oil. I'm going to mix the oil with water. Here is oil. I put it inside the water. You know that the oil doesn't dissolve in water, it's insoluble. That's why anything insoluble in water are using the separating funnel, which this apparatus or this tool is used to separate the insoluble substance. Okay, I put it inside here. Is used to separate the oil from the water. I'm going to open it here slowly. The oil will be down and the water will remain inside. Use the oil to drop down, okay, to separate the oil from the water. This is which is used to separate the oil from water. Here is the question: what is the difference between filtration process and separating funnel? The difference between separating funnel or filtration process. Filtration process is used to separate salt from water, but the separating funnel, it's used to separate oil from water. So what is the difference between the salt and the oil? The salt dissolves in water, that's why we use filtration process, but the oil doesn't dissolve in water, so that's why we use separating funnel. At the end of our lesson, we have to recognize, number one, the difference between pure substance and the mixture, the type of mixture, the property of mixture, the formation of mixture, and separation of mixture. I hope to enjoy. See you next lesson. Bye-bye.